Yesterday, we treated a topic that says how to create a Rumble account. Today, we'll be teaching you the topic that said how to customize a Rumble account. Customizing a Rumble account simply means to enter your details, your information, so that you will be recognized that you are the rightful owner of this account. Remember that the account you are creating now is a monetized account. So when your information are not complete, you will be having issue in the future to withdraw your money. You are not creating this account because you are just learning now. This account you are creating now is already a channel that you can use to earn as time goes on. Though you can still create other different accounts. But this one you have created now is important. Don't play with it, because everything we are going to be teaching you, you'll be applying them in this channel. And as you are applying them, you are growing. So the reason why we set up this class is for you to be growing alongside with your channel, even as you are receiving the training. So everybody in this channel should be very active and follow up the step by step on every single topic that will be given to you. Make sure you repeat the video till you understand the step and apply the step during the the practical session. And remember, you are doing classwork. Immediately after training, you are supposed to be doing your practical and display it on the group so that others will be learning from you also. So don't forget, as we step into the practical uh, process, uh, pay good attention and write every step out on your exercise book, so that as you pick your phone for the practical, you can be going through the practical from your exercise book. Always remember to invite someone to participate in this class so that they will also have a monetized channel. Please don't be selfish, please. Oh, everybody in this group, you have loved ones and well wishers. Do them this favor, do them this good. It's not they have Android phone, they can have their YouTube channel, Rumble channel, Facebook channel monetized. As we take you through this process of this training, we are not leaving anyone behind. So it's very important. Thank you very much. God bless you all in Jesus' name.
So another thing, we are going into customization. We are going to into deep setting. You understand? So once you open the account, as you just see how I open the account, they are going to ask you a few things. Which things are you going to? What things are you interested on, or what things do you will be posting there? If it is Rambo, sports, gaming, news, health, and science for those medical students that might decided to be posting about medical things. You understand? So, but me personally, I go for news, I go for podcast, I go for entertainment. These are the three I choose. I don't know for you. This one is your own choice. Then this very aspect is the aspect where you follow big content creators, those people who has made it, who has verified their account. You must have to follow them. And so I want to even use this opportunity to teach you how to get followers there. You understand? So you can see I'm clicking those people that I wish to follow. If you want to follow any number of people you wish to follow, you follow. But me personally, I've just clicked 9 people that I want to follow. Understand? So as you can see now, we are done with the correction of everything. Understand? So I will take you to another interface where you will see uh, what I've been telling you. Understand? So I want to use this opportunity to tell you this secret about this Rambo. You understand? So because I don't like saying the things that I don't fulfill. So these are the places that you are going to fill your details. So remember what I said from earlier. Don't feed anything that is fake, because these things have to do with your own money. You understand? So it's your own money. Put your full details, your house address, your everything, zip code, Nigeria, paper. Paper is where you receiving your money every month. They will check how much you earn and put it into your PayPal account. You understand? Boom. The chapter is closed. You understand? So we are done. Wow. You understand? So this stage now is the stage of earning. Can see, you see the earning. I don't like saying things why I'm not sure. I told you from day one that once you create an account, you're totally going to be monetized. The account has been monetized without posting anything. Then when I started posting, my earning starts increasing. So that is the reason why I use fresh accounts to teach you people this, because I don't want a situation where I say, this one and this. I don't want to. So I use fresh accounts to teach you this. You see, I created this and it is being monetized. You can see the dollar sign. If you like, you put Nigeria. If you like, you put dollar. If you like, you put pounds. Any one of your wish. You understand? So, but me, I choose dollar because I want to be earning in dollar. You understand? So I don't know for you. This choice is yours. So, but preferable is in dollar. So another interface that I would like to touch in this aspect is you understand. So I've teaching you how to create the accounts, how to set everything now to the standard. You have seen everything. This is the ramble. Once you upload, you start earning.
We have learned a lot today. I want every one of us to begin to carry out the practical now, and make sure you do your own. There are many of you that did not partake in the practical session for the yesterday class. Make sure you do your practical, and always subscribe and follow and comment. Thank you very much. God bless you.